So in this video I'll be telling you how best to mix your Fair White So White in order to achieve that whitening effect. But then if you don't want to alter your skin tone, I'll still tell you which one to use and how to use it in order to maintain your skin tone. And even if you're dark skin, you still want to use Fair White So White, of course I'll be telling you which one to use. Okay, so you now see reasons why you have to watch till the very last, because for everything I'm going to say here on this video, it's going to pay off at the end of the day. So please do well to watch till the very last. Grab popcorn, something to keep you going. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's Sunita again. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Lagos State. Yeah, it's as if I'm just whining because I'm just trying to incorporate the location into my intro. It's not my thing. You guys know that our norms, I will come here and say, hey guys, welcome back to Sunita once again, blah 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 blah. But this time I'm just trying to incorporate my location, because for some reasons I feel like people do not really know where I am currently living. So yeah, I am a Lagos based Nigerian YouTuber. So if you're a returning subscriber, you're highly welcome. Thank you for tuning in. And if you're watching me for the very first time, hi, I love you. Thank you for stopping by. Okay, please do me a favor by clicking on the red subscribe button, and if you've done that, thank you. But don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified when there's an upload from Moa. Okay, so yeah, so in today's video we are going to be talking about, I keep saying we are as if like, yeah, in today's video I'll be reviewing Fair White So White. Yeah, calm down, I have reviewed this product before. I think I really took my time, but for some reason the kind of questions I'm seeing, I still feel like people do not really understand. People are still getting it very twisted when it comes to the Fair White So White range, like their brand. Okay, so in today's video I'll be including the Fair White So White Gold, I mean the Fair and White Gold, and yeah, that's what I will be talking about. All right, so yeah, let's start with the Fair White Gold, because people do not really know what this Fair White Gold, which skin tone to use it and all that and all that. People are still like, okay, am I meant to use, if I'm like, am I meant to use the gold or this one, or I'm using the Fair White So White, is not working on me, how do I use it, how do I mix it? And so yeah, so guys, let's start with the Fair White Gold. People, there was a time that I stumbled across a comment that somebody actually made on my on the video I talked about, on the video I made about Fair White So White. Of course I had reviewed this product, like I said. I'm going to leave the link in my description box, but then if you're coming from that video, say hi. Okay, so but if not, you're going to see the link in my description box, or better still scroll down my other videos, you're going to bump into that particular video. Okay, so yeah, so the Fair White Gold, for people who are actually brown skin, they don't want to alter their skin tone, you want to use that one, because sincerely that one is not ash, that one is not like, it's not something that you say okay it's going to lighten you, or it's going to, guys, it's just going to brighten you, it's going to moisturize your skin, and it's just going to make you look natural. You're nothing like a whitening kind of effect, or you want to lighten a shade. No, that one will not give you one shade like that. But then if you still want to like brighten up a little more advanced, like a little more, you can still go on with your serum with it, the serum, the bar soap, and the cream, probably the glow oil. Guys, this particular one will not whiten you, it's not going to whiten you. If you use it with the serum, you might probably see, like, under probability, you can just see like a lightening effect, like one shade lighter. Is not going to be that deep. For those people who do not want to alter their skin tone, you can use it as long as you want. It's very, very safe. Like, you can use it as long as you want. Yes, you can also use it with the serum. You can as well use it with the bar soap. Of course, me, I keep telling people, if you're using a product, you want to use a product what is what doing is what doing well. So even if you want to use a product, use it alongside the soap and the serum. That way you will get a very nice result that will keep you like result that will blow your mind. Okay, so you don't want to go using a product without the cream, without the serum, without the soap. So if you want to use this Fair White Gold, this is the way, that is the best way to use it. Don't expect any whitening effects, please don't. Okay, now let's move on to the Fair White So White. Okay, the Fair White So White, let's talk about the strong toning. This small bottle you are seeing, this particular small bottle, I think is their highest strong whitening, for like it's maxi tone. From the right up you can see that it's maxi tone, but then again you have to use it with the serum, you have to use it with the bar soap. Yes, and if you still want to lighten up a little more, or 3 shades, for people who want 3 shades lighter with this maxi tone, this one is for people who wants to get fair, like people who wants to advance their skin tone, people who want their skin tone to be very light. Okay, you will use this maxi tone with the serum, you use it with the soap, you use it with the even if you don't have money for the oil, it's fine, but try as much as you can to use it with the soap, the serum, and their tube. There's this Fair White So White tube cream, and yeah, their Fair White So White tube cream is also very good. You can mix them together. They have the cream, they have the tube, so you can mix everything. Like even if you of course you know that you're not going to pour everything together, you just pour half of your Fair White So White maxi tone into a cup, and then pump in half of your serum into it, as well as the tube cream and the normal cream, like together with it. I don't know if you get what I mean. Since this maxi tone is very small, I think it's 250 milligram or 400 or so. Okay, I'm not sure, either 250, 300 or 400, because it's not up to 500 ml. Okay, so you pour half of it into a jar and mix all this your Fair White So White additives into it and use. Okay, don't pour everything into it. Like don't pour the tube cream into, don't pour the whole tube cream into it as well as the serum. Do half and half. That way it will lighten you gradually, like it will lighten you very well and give you like an even skin tone. Like everything will be in uniform, like you will not see any mistake. Okay, so don't go pouring everything because you want to lighten up, you pour everything together. No, please, that way you're going to see a different thing. Don't tell somebody that I sent you, please. Now for the people who have hyperpigmentation, dark spot, there was even a woman that said that, I think I stumbled into a comment, and the woman was saying that she has been using the product and it's making her dark. I don't know how she's using it. Probably she's using only the cream. Yeah, probably she's using only the cream and the soap, or maybe just the cream and another soap. It will not whiten you, it will not lighten you, you will not see anything different. So believe you me, if you mix it the way I have told you to mix it, it will be very helpful. And mind you, there's this particular Fair White So White that has hydroquinone in it. Okay, the one that has hydroquinone in it is this particular one. Then this sweet is something that will maintain your skin tone. That one will not lighten you, that one will just help maintain your skin tone. So this one that contains the hydroquinone, it's not like it's bad because it's small percentage of hydroquinone to help you clear dark spot, clear hyperpigmentation, like uneven skin tone and all that. So after using a bottle of this one, you can as well try out the sweet to help maintain whatever it is you've gotten from this other one. Okay, so but then you're still going to mix with your tube cream, you're still going to mix with your serum, and you're still going to use it with the soap. And now for the dark skin dolls, like you're dark and you love the Fair White So White range, do not worry yourself, because yeah, the Fair White So White have got you really covered. Yeah, of course, the blue one is for you. Is it the blue crystal or something? Yeah, the blue one is for you. This particular one is for you. And they also have their serums. They have the one that contains vitamin E, they have the one that contains vitamin C, and the one that is the ordinary one that does not contain any, like the normal balanced one. Like if you want to try, if you are using this particular one thing I love about the Fair White So White range is that the way they tailored their product to different skin type. They tailor their product to different, because they know we have different skin color, different skin type. People who do not want to tamper with their skin tone, people who do not want to lighten up, people who want to maintain their skin tone, people who want to lighten up. So they tailor that to different skin type. Okay, so if you are dark, you want something to maintain you, make you look flawless, make you glowy and all that, this blue one is for you. This exclusive what's it called, is for you. Then if you want to lighten up, you can use the Maxi Tone and mix it with what I have just mentioned. And if you want to maintain your skin color, like you don't want to tamper with it, you're fair, you don't want to tamper with your skin tone, you can use the Sweet, or better still the Maxi Tone without mixing anything. Just the Maxi Tone and the soap is okay for you, like if you understand what I mean. So like I didn't want to just go comment by comment answering you one after the other, because I definitely know that it's something that I have to sit down and explain to you guys. So if you don't know how to mix if you don't know how to mix your Fair White So White, how to mix it, which one you should go for, which one you should try out because of your skin tone, you're skeptical, I think, yeah, this is me telling you. So you don't know the particular one, I think this video is definitely for you. Okay, so yeah guys, this will be the end of this video. I hope and I believe that it's helpful somehow. I hope and I believe that it's helpful one way or the other. Please, if you've used this cream and the way you're using it, I don't know how you're using it, please, if there's any how you've used this cream and it's nice on you, please leave it in the comment section. Let's share your experience and all that, because I like the way some of you interact in my comment section. Like people, some of you are coming to market your stuffs in my comment section. I'm watching you guys, but nonetheless, yeah, we rise by lifting others, right? So guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you've subscribed, I hope you've liked, I hope you've turned on the post notification bell so that you get to be notified when there's an upload from this girl. Okay, so see you guys in my next one. Bye.